Hi friends, today let us discuss the next topic in applied physical anthropology, that is forensic anthropology. Forensic anthropology is a branch of anthropology which deals with the establishment of identity of a person on the basis of anthropologically significant remains. Once again, I am repeating, forensic anthropology is a branch of anthropology which deals with the establishment of identity of a person on the basis of anthropologically significant remains. What is meant by anthropologically significant remains? Anthropological significant remains are nothing but our fingerprints, DNA, blood stains, skeletal remains. The skeletal remains may be bones or teeth. On the basis of examination of these anthropologically significant remains, a forensic anthropologist is going to establish the identity of a person. Here the question is, where do we need the establishment of identity of a person, or the circumstances in which there is a need to establish the identity? They are, first one is identification of a criminal. Criminal, after committing a crime, generally escapes. In such circumstances, in order to establish the identity of that criminal, we are going to involve forensic anthropologists. Second one is, in order to establish the identity of a victim. Sometimes the face may be damaged because of a crime, or because of a road accident, or because of a fire accident. In such circumstances, we need to establish the identity of a person on the basis of anthropologically significant remains. That's why, in order to establish the identity of a victim of either a crime or an accident. Third one is, in order to establish the parentage. In order to establish the parentage. Sometimes delivery of justice is based on the establishment of parentage. I'll tell you some circumstances. Sometimes a person may seek divorce from his wife on the basis of alleged extramarital relationship of his wife with some other person. In such circumstances, the delivery of justice depends upon the establishment of parentage of the children born to that woman. Sometimes there can be accidental exchange of babies in the hospitals, especially in government hospitals. All the newborn babies will be similar in appearance. That's why there are chances for accidental exchange. Sometimes deliberate exchange also. In such circumstances, in order to establish the parentage, we are going to involve our forensic anthropologists. And in dealing with immigration issues, if I am the son of a green card holder in USA, automatically I will get the eligibility to get green card. That's why we observed appearance of many fraudulent agencies. They are claiming that so and so particular person is the son of so and so particular green card holder. In such circumstances, a person from another country can easily get the green card in USA. Similarly, the permanent residency in other countries. In such circumstances, the immigration to those countries and the related problems can be solved by establishing parentage. Fourth one is to deal with impersonation cases. To deal with impersonation cases. Now, see, there is a person by name Ravindra. Let us assume I am a criminal. Now, there is another person by name Krishna. Now, I want to send Krishna to jail. In the circumstances, I may commit a crime. Say, for example, Krishna has a wife by name Radha, let us assume. Then, I may wear the mask like that of Krishna. Because of wearing of the mask, I will get the identity of Krishna. In CCTV footage, whenever I am killing this Radha, the face will be like that of Krishna. Then Krishna may be imprisoned. But Krishna is an innocent person. That's why, in order to establish the identity of the person who is involved in the killing of Radha, we are going to establish the identity on the basis of anthropologically significant remains. Face, in the CCTV footage, the face may be like that of Krishna, but he is an innocent person. But I may leave my fingerprints here at the time of killing Radha. That's why, on the basis of those fingerprints, we can establish the identity of a criminal. That's why, not only this, but also with respect to a driving license, we can establish the identity. That's why, to deal with impersonation cases, impersonation cases means we are masking our identity by getting the identity of some other person. This way, to deal with impersonation cases, we are going to use our forensic anthropologists. This way, in these circumstances, there is a need to establish the identity. What are those circumstances? Identification of a criminal, identification of a victim, establishment of parentage, and impersonation cases.